My video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that come from the site News-payogu.cc. This site, News-payogu.cc, is absolutely faulty and deceptive. It tries to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are a human and not a robot. But in reality, it's a mistake to click on allow. If the allow button was mistakenly clicked, the browser would be hijacked and infected with numerous advertisements that will be popping up randomly on your computer. If you have mistakenly done that, fix your browser by accessing the menu, then Settings, and then Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and Notifications. Pay attention to the websites allowed to display notifications. So if you find this News-payogu, make sure you remove it from the list and also remove other junk sites from this list. To make sure that your computer is free of other possibly hidden threats, I recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.